If you're looking for over 4,000 square feet of luxury living here in Santa Clarita, you've come to the right place. I am at Williams Ranch in Castaic, which is one of the newest developments out here. Behind me is Plan 15, which is the largest model of 15 different floor plans they have here in the community. And my name is Casey Schein with RE/MAX of Valencia. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I release new videos of different model homes. But this is Williams Ranch, and what I'm excited about here is most of their homes, about 75% of their homes, are on view lots. Just spectacular views out here. And this is one of my favorite communities in Santa Clarita that's being built because of their amenities. First of all, their lot sizes are larger than the majority of the new construction happening out here, between 7,000 to 11,000 square feet on average. And the amenities are incredible. You're talking about working vineyard and citrus orchards, a wine pavilion, pool, spa, cabana, amphitheater, 5 miles of walking trails and paseos. And it's just, there's nothing else like it out here. It's one of the most sought after new developments for that reason. They're building 497 homes here in this master plan community on 430 acres. So anyways, enough of me talking. Let me show you this Plan 15 in the Ridgeline community of Williams Ranch. So here we have the largest floor plan that Williams Ranch has to offer, Plan 15. You're getting 5 beds, 5.5 baths, plus an office. That'll range from just over 4,100 square feet to over 4,300 square feet. And you'll notice in this model they have a really cool flex room that they use as a game room. And you'll also notice downstairs is a full bed and bath, but you do have the option of converting that area to a multi-generational suite with its own separate living room and kitchen. Also, the model here will show off 3-car garage. You do have the option of turning that into a 4-car garage. So Williams Ranch has, of their 15 floor plans, 7 of them are single story, 8 are 2-story. Obviously, this is their 2-story model and their largest. So anyways, let me take you inside. Hope you enjoy. So that was the beautiful and elegant Plan 15 of the Ridgeline community here at Williams Ranch. If you're interested, I'll put my contact information right here. You can call or text me. You could even DM me. Remember, I must be with you at your first visit if you want to have exclusive representation here and someone looking out for your best interests. Just absolutely exquisite home. And if you're new to my channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe, because it gives me motivation to keep creating more model home tour videos and more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notifications as well when I launch new content. But anyways, comment below what your favorite features were. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care.